Hello everyone, it's my first vlog. As you see behind me, I have a 2004 Damon Challenger American Motorhome RV, and it needs a new tyre. So we're going to pop along to the tyre shop, see how much this is going to cost us, and see how we can get it done. I did get an advisory on the MOT, which I will show you in a second, of the damage. The tyre's 2011, we're now in 2025. So this was it on the advisory. As you can see, it is, if it will focus in there, it's all cracking and perishing around the outside. I've rang a local tyre place. I rang a few tyre places and no one could seem to help us out. I have found one garage. Pop along there, see how much it's going to cost. I'll see how much it does cost, because I do need it. And we'll go from there. I'll show you around the RV. I am planning on remodernising a lot of it. I have made a start. So everything just takes a bit of time. I'll grab the keys, we'll go inside. I'll give you a quick look round, see what you think. No electric step. I have already started remodernising quite a bit of it. I'll tell you what, we'll start at the back and we'll work our way through. Let's switch some power on. There's a bit of a mess, it's not too bad. We have just got back from France, and it's might not be totally immaculate, but we'll get there. Bedroom, quite a big double bed at the back, sliding door. Don't know what state this bathroom's going to be left in. It's not too bad. So I haven't done any modernisation in the bathroom as yet. Wardrobes. Storage. Domestic fridge I had to fit, because the one which was supplied with it was actually leaking and wanting the best of condition. Let me just sort that out, because that beeps. Slide out, was one slide out dinette. Couch which I recovered. Chair which I recovered. I got rid of the oak wood trim. You might see in other videos. If there's enough interest, I'll edit all the footage I've got. Put a smaller TV up there, because there was a really big one. It was just too big. What else? I haven't done anything with the front seats yet, which I'm planning on changing them or having them fully custom done. This one's a bit wobbly. And he's doing full screen upgrade with full round cameras. I'll show you. Let's start her up and I'll see if I can show you on the... full indicator cameras and side view, because with CarPlay. And we indicate to the right, we have the right hand side, indicate to the left hand side, reverse, we have reverse, so we also have a camera front facing as well. Done a few upgrades. That was all damp, and if you can just see over there, that was all damp and rotted right through. Had to refiberglass. Again, I have got plenty of footage, and if there's enough interest and people subscribe and there's interest in the content, I'll carry on. I'll do some bits, but it's a bit odd. I find it a bit odd, like talking to myself or talking to the camera, and everyone says just do something, it'll come natural. So we will see. Right now, I have got to do my first ever solo drive. I've never really drove this on my own. I've always had someone in the passenger seat telling me, yeah, that's all right to pull out, because there's a bit of restriction on the left hand side driving. So we'll see how it goes. I'll set off now, we'll get over to the tyre place, we'll get it fitted, and we'll find out how much it is and see if having an RV in the UK is expensive. Okay then, first solo. No, that doesn't want to work. There we go. Have to resolve that as well. First solo drive in the RV. Let's let's see how nice people are to me, see if everyone's letting me out, and see if we're going to have a bloody good day today. The weather is scorching. Oh, these gates are a little bit tight sometimes. I don't like it when things start making noises. They're through here. Easy does it.
Turn left onto A164, then enter the roundabout.
Let's see what we can get done. I'm out here. On and gone. And what's my sat nav saying? It wants me straight up next roundabout. Let's see. Wanker alert. Fresh, new tyre. So I'm back from the tyre place, and the grand total for one tyre is a hand cook, is it? And it was 392 quid. Nice. If you did like the video, please comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, let us know what you think, and I will create some more content. If there's no interest, there's no point in me creating anymore. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Oh, just one more thing. If I'll show you the motorhome in a minute. Put in the comments how much you think I paid for it, and then I'll reveal that after I've done a bit more work to it. Cheers now. Bye bye.